Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Students, today we are going to learn about invitation writing, and our today's topic is wedding invitation writing. First of all, let's discuss SLOs of today's lecture. But after this lecture, you would be able to tell what is invitation writing, parts of invitation writing, how to write invitation writing, format or pattern of invitation writing. So first of all, let's discuss what is invitation writing. What is invitation? Invitation is a request to other people to participate or be present or take part in something. But an invitation is just like a request that you make to ask people to participate in some activity. Okay? So it can be in spoken or written form. The example is when you ask people to attend a birthday party, you invite them. An invitation can be delivered as verbal request, a card, an email, etc. But suppose you have organized a birthday party or wedding, there is a wedding ceremony of your sister or brother. So you invite your friends, your relatives. So how you write? You send a request, you send an invitation to them. So this is called invitation writing, and it can be in verbal form, request form, in card form, in email form, or it can also be in letter form. Types of invitation, beta, there are two types of invitation, formal invitation and informal invitation. Beta, invitation can be of two types. Card form means printed, and it is the more formal invitation. Letter form or handwritten form, and it is an informal way of inviting someone. When we send card, it is the formal way of inviting the guests, and in card form we use specific wording, and the name of host is also mentioned on the card. But when we send invitation in letter form, it is the informal way of inviting some guests. So and in letter form you give more detail about the event. Today we will discuss invitation in both form, in card form and in letter form as well. Common format of a formal invitation. Now how you write a formal invitation? First of all, the first line is the name of a person who invites. Okay, means the name of host is mentioned. The second line is the request for participation. You write some sentences to request for the participation. The third line is the name of the persons invited. जिस person को आप invite कर रहे होते हैं. The fourth line is the occasion for invitation. Now what is the occasion? You mention there. The fifth line is the time and date of occasion. You mention date and time. The sixth line is the place of occasion. So what is the place? What is the venue? The last line is the request for reply. Now you also ask for reply that whether the guest will attend the ceremony, the event or not. Beta, there is a sample. You can see that this is the invitation in card form. In this way the card is printed, and you send this card to your relatives, to your friends. The name of the host is mentioned. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. and Mrs. Ali Ibrahim request the pleasure of your company at the marriage of their daughter. Now the name of daughter, the bride and groom's name is mentioned here. Then the day and date is mentioned, and reception to follow. RSVP means the people who are waiting for the guests. You can mention the name of the persons who are waiting for the guests. But this is the informal way of sending invitation or inviting some guests. Informal invitation format. Now how we write informal invitation? Written in letter form, in an informal format. Okay, written in a first person. In card form we use third person, not first and second person, but the letter is written in first person. We mention the first person. The language of such letter is informal or casual. In card form the language is formal, but in letter form the language is casual or informal. Salutation is dear plus name. You mention dear friend, dear uncle, etc. Letter can be elaborative, explaining the detail of event. Okay, so we give more detail when we send letter. Complimentary clause with yours sincerely or truly. Letter ends at yours truly, yours sincerely, XYZ. You can also mention your name. So this is the format beta. In this way you will write letter, invitation in letter form, examination hall, city ABC, full stop, then date. बेटा date can vary. आप जिस date को भी send करें you can mention that date. Then dear friend, you can also mention the name of friend. बेटा एग्जामिनेशन और सिटी ABC की जगह आप लोग अपनी फ्रेंड का नेम, उसका एड्रेस भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं. I am glad to invite you along with your family to grace the wedding of my elder sister. It would be really great if you will join me and my family as early as possible, as we need you to join hands in preparing for this big event. The ceremony is going to be held on August 15, 2020 at Diamond Hall at 7 p.m., which is at small walking distance from our place. I am expecting your presence eagerly. Thanking you. Thank you. Regards, you can also mention here yours truly, XYZ, and you can also mention your name here. Okay, my dear students, this is all about invitation writing. Hope so the concept is clear now. Take care. Allah Hafiz.